Crafting Vicky here with you, and I'm super excited because today I'm finally launching my Vicky Challenge to you guys. So are you up to it? Are you willing to participate in this? Will you be purchasing one of these kits? They're very limited. There's only 8 of them, and they include 13 elements, 13 different elements, and the it's some of them in doubles, and there's a little extra little goodies that have been included just because I love you guys so much. So yeah, so there's at least 13 elements that are to be used for the challenge. I'm thinking that in order to do the challenge you should use at least 5 elements, but if you can use more, good for you. I'm thinking as well, if you are interested, if you do purchase this kit, I'm hoping that you will want to show pictures, share pictures with me of what you've made with it. And I'm hoping to make, if you guys participate, of making a video of what I made using the elements, but also pictures of what you guys send me of what you made with it. I thought that would be really, really awesome and get the community to participate in something, so that would be fun. So it's gonna come in an envelope like this, and ooh, a little sneak peek. I'm not gonna share what's inside because that's part of the fun of the challenge. I want it to be a surprise. I didn't want the envelope to be too big because I don't want the shipping charge to be too much. I have to ship through Etsy, and obviously it's expensive to ship, but I will be mailing out these little envelopes once you purchase them. What also comes with this is 3 videos, one of the unboxing of the items inside here, plus a little bit of blurb as to, you know, what it is, and then 2 separate videos of me making something. I'm hoping that whoever purchases the kits will watch the unboxing maybe, and then will try to make something out of it, and then watch the videos of what I made with it. But you can also change this and decide that what you're going to do is actually make exactly what I made and follow whatever I make with the elements. So those are possibilities. The makes that I did with the kits are totally different. They're totally, like, the 2 are totally different. So I'm very excited, as I said, to see what you guys will be making. This is the first time I'm going to be launching this. There's, like I said, it's very limited. There's only 8 because of the fact that it's I wanted to make the kits exactly the same, so that you can follow what I make exactly, or you can go and make something completely different. So I needed to have at least enough elements that I could make similar kits. So obviously that limits the number of kits available. I'm hoping that if this is something that you guys enjoy, that I will be doing this every few months, maybe a kit. It does take some time to, first of all, think of the kit, and second of all, because I also want to have elements that are different, that are not craft related, and so I have to think of ways of showing that to you guys and giving you the opportunity to play with them. So anyway, they're in my Etsy store right now. You can see the link to this in the description box below. They're limited. If you want one and you want to participate in this experiment and this challenge that I'm giving ourselves, come and join and go and grab one. Yeah, I'm so hoping that people will want to share their creations, because I think that would make for a very, very fun video at the end. So just a picture sent to my email would be good, and then depending on how many participate, then I can share that with, so long as there's a few, I will be sharing a video later of all that was made. But I'm going to wait a little bit so that everybody has the time to to answer me if they're going to participate in the sharing or not. And obviously it's a volunteer, like you don't have to. I just think it would be fun. I know that it's fun also to be able to share what you do on YouTube, and not everybody has a channel to be able to do that. So if I can give you guys the opportunity to participate, I think it's a fun exercise. Because we do have an amazing community and amazingly artistic and creative people in this community, which I totally love. So thank you guys for being here, and I hope that you're inspired and you go and check it out. And that's it for now. Love you. Bye.